I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 6, that is the past tense. So let's begin with this lesson. So here the simple past tense and its use. You know what is past tense? The thing that had happened, जो time हमारा जा चुका है उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, that is the past tense. So the simple past tense and its uses. कैसे बनता है? सिंपल कंस्ट्रक्शन या सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म होती है, ऐसे होता है was were या प्लस past participle form. Now we use simple past tense to talk about things that had happened in the past. तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को हम यूज करते हैं उन चीजों के बारे में बात करने के लिए जो चीज हमारी पास्ट में हो चुकी है, whether a long time ago or very recent. I finished painting the wall yesterday. The plane from Mauritius landed a few minutes ago. ये क्या हो गया आपका सिंपल पास्ट टेंस हो गया. Millions of years ago dinosaurs roamed the earth. Dr. Johnson's famous dictionary was published in 1755. So these are the sentences of simple past tense. Now here, a time expression referring to the past such as yesterday, last week, 5 years ago, last night, in the year 1947 and so on is accompanied by simple past tense. इससे accompany होते हैं simple past tense से. But the present perfect is used where there is no time expression. Present perfect कहाँ पे use होता है? जहाँ पे कोई time expression नहीं होता. Mr. Joseph died yesterday. He was 98. Mr. Joseph had died at the age of 98. Ravi has passed his driving test. He passed it's in February. Now, in general, the simple past is the normal tense. The simple past to the normal tense to the for the narrative in stories. The Lilliputians fastened believers to the ground with ropes. Snow White ran away to escape her stepmother's hatred. Jack climbed the beanstalk and reached the castle. So these are the simple past in the normal tense for the narrative and stories. Just stories में use हुआ है. We also use simple past tense when we wish for something. हम simple past tense को use करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज के लिए wish करते हैं that we know can never come true. जो चीज नहीं हो सकती. I wish I had a fairy godmother. She wished she could just dig a hole in the ground and disappear. We also use the simple past tense when we talk about the past habit. हम simple past tense को use करते हैं जब हम past habit के बारे में बात करते हैं. I stayed with my grandmother when I was little. Priya and Raj played together as children. So we have used simple past tense जब हम past habit के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Now past continuous tense and its uses. कैसे बनता है? Was, were plus present participle. ऐसे क्या होती है? Was, were plus be plus past participle. Now, the past continuous is typically used for an activity that was ongoing, जो चीज हो रही थी एक certain point पे past में. I was eating dinner when the phone rang. This time last week, I was enjoying my holidays in Shimla. We were driving to the gym when we heard the news of Rajni's death. So these were the past continuous tense. Now, an activity that was interrupted by a certain happening. जो एक एक्टिविटी इंटरप्ट हुई किसी चीज की वजह से सिंपल पास्ट में वो किस में हो जाती है? पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में हो जाती है. Like I was repairing the computer when the power failure stopped me. I was wondering how to deal with the problem when an idea struck me. We were just approaching the downtown where there was a flash of lightning. So we were just approaching the town when there was a flash of lightning. Now the past continuous is used to indicate the situation. जो past continuous होता है किसमें यूज होती है? Situation को indicate करने के लिए that was ongoing when a certain action took place. जो चल रही थी जो एक certain action आपका हुआ था. Like the telephone rang just as the meal was being served. जब ये टेलीफोन रैंग वो जब मील सर्व हो रहा था. I noticed that she was smiling to herself. The sun was just setting when I go up to close the curtain. So in some cases only the ongoing situation is mentioned. कुछ cases में खाली ongoing situation ही mention होती है. Like a dog was barking in the street. John was watering the plants. Verb that represent gradual change. Verb जो represent करते gradual change वो past context में Oh, past continuous note like the plants were going fast. The situation was getting out of control. Repeated activity in the past can be expressed using forever. जो repeated activity past होती है वो express होती है forever से और always से past continuous में. Like I was forever lending him money, which I never got back. Uncle was very simple. He was always being cheated. We can use the past continuous. हम past continuous को use कर सकते हैं future activity के लिए past continuous में. Like I was catching a train. मैं train पकड़ रहा था to देहरादून the next morning, so I left the party early. तो मैं थोड़ा जल्दी निकल गया था. He said he could not meet us that evening. He was taking Nisha for dinner. The past continuous of go plus to or infinitive can be used for activities. ये activities के लिए use हो सकता है that were intended but did not happen. जो चीज नहीं हुई थी और have not yet happened और अभी तक नहीं हुए and may not happen और जो शायद ना भी हो. I was going to call a technician to repair my oven, but it got all right, so I didn't. Weren't you going to find out about a venue? Yes, I was. I haven't done it yet. Now the past perfect tense and its uses. So construction कैसी होती है? Had plus past participle होता है. Passive क्या होता है? Had plus been plus past participle. Now when we are using the simple past tense, जब हम simple past tense का use कर रहे होते हैं किसी story को बताने के लिए, to tell a story. So or to recount an experience, अपने किसी experience को recount करने के लिए we use the past perfect to mention something that happened. तो अब past perfect को use कर रहे हैं mention करने के लिए जो चीज हो चुकी है. Like I wanted to plant a rose cutting. The gardener had already dug a hole for it. The gardener ने already उसके लिए hole कर दिया था. So that there are two actions in the past. दो actions होते हैं past में that they take place one before the order. The first action takes the perfect form. Now Tom raced to the bus stop. Tom raced to the bus stop, but the bus had already left. I saw that Priya had left her watch on the table. She looked surprised as if she had not expected to meet me. The past perfect is in some cases interchangeable. The past perfect होता है कुछ cases में interchangeable होता है. Simple past से after the time, conjunction when, after, before, as soon as, and until. When I had completed my project, I was able to take rest. जब मैंने अपना project complete कर लिया था मैं rest ले रहा था. When I completed my project, I was able to take rest. After we had arrived, we ate food. After we arrived, we ate food. As soon as we had made contact with the kidnapper, we alerted the police. हमने alert कर दिया था पुलिस को जैसे हमारा contact हो गया था kidnapper से. As soon as we made contact with the kidnappers, we alerted police. Now the past perfect continuous tense and its use. इसका हम आप लोगों को use होता है. Constructions कैसे होती है? Construction had plus been plus present participle होता है. And we are telling a story or recounting something. जब हम कोई story बता रहे हैं या फिर recount कर रहे हैं किसी चीज को सिंपल पास्ट में we use the past perfect continuous tense. हम past perfect continuous tense को use करते हैं to talk about the events or activities के बारे में बात करने के लिए so ongoingly before them. I had been wanting to phone you when I had been wanting to phone you when you phoned me yourself. We had been trying to download the text for ages and suddenly it worked. Okay. Renu had been cooking food. वो food को cook कर रही थी when she burned herself. You gave me a surprise I hadn't been expecting to see. We use the past perfect continuous tense. हम past perfect continuous tense को use करते हैं when an action going to on before has now stopped your action. अब रुक चुका है और when a second action took place और जब second action होगा. She had been living in Delhi before. She had been living there from 1992 to 2002. She is now my neighbor. She had been teaching before, but she gave it. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all liked the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a good day.